In this video I'm going to show you how I replace video chips on laptops. As you can see, every laptop has a motherboard inside, or a main board, as you know, and every main board and motherboard has a video processor built into it, soldered into it. And these video chips, sometimes they come across problems, and that's why we need to replace them or upgrade them. But they're not like desktops, as you know. It's not something you can just remove with your hands and swap easy. On laptops they're soldered onto the motherboard, and we need like a special equipment to take them out and replace them. And it's not something quite easy to do from what you see in this video, but at least we can show you how we do it through the process. It takes me about an hour to from start to finish. It's not 10 minutes as you can see in this video. We just did it for 10 minutes so we can meet YouTube's limits. But when my customers come in with laptops that they say, oh, I can't play games on it and it freezes all the time, or it powers on and nothing comes on the screen, and it's got these strange boxes, anything to do with graphics, I say, oh right, I'm just gonna replace the video chip or replace the solder on it. And what is happening is since 2007 companies that make laptops decided to switch to lead-free solder instead of leaded solder, because for years and years we've been using leaded, which is the most abundant material, and the purposes of it is to strengthen the solder. It gives it more strength and it lets it bond better and let it flex better. But since the introduction of lead-free, things haven't been going out very well with manufacturers. It seems that the lead-free solder, from cooling down and heating up and cooling down and heating up and all that much stress, it kind of loses its strength, and it sort of cracks, tiny cracks, and those tiny cracks won't let the signal or the power or the voltage go through properly. So my idea is to either replace that lead-free crap solder and replace it with leaded solder, good solder. And it turned out it lasts very long. Or I just sometimes replace the whole video chip. And here's how we remove the chip. When it reaches 235 degrees, the melting point, I can then just suck it off. As you see, there you go, that's the chip. Now, using a regular soldering iron, I'm gonna remove all that lead-free crap, as I hate it. It looks ugly, it's so hard to melt, it's just not what I like. I like leaded.
Make sure I don't leave the...
And that thing, this thing I'm putting right now is called flux, and apparently it makes the solder melt quicker. It doesn't it just keeps the area clean and free from oxidization and all the crap. So here is the process how I remove the lead-free solder. So the lead-free solder is now being melted, and it's
nice looking,
taken away by the soldering iron. So as you see, it's quite different from the other videos where they show you bake your motherboard or bake your laptop in an oven and all that. This is quite different from that. We're not doing reflow where we're only heating the solder and using the same solder, because it's oxidized, that solder. It's 3 years of use. That's it. It's dead. It's old. It's gotta be replaced, renewed. And now is using the solder wick, which is a braid, and that's gonna let us remove the fine part of the solder left, because I absolutely don't want any lead-free crap solder. I want to remove all of it. And then we're gonna end up with a nice clean PGA area. And so far I've probably have done this at least probably about 1,000 times a year, at least. I don't like to do it very much because it's quite stressful, quite tedious, takes a long time, but it's kind of unique, something not everyone can do, something that I'm very proud of.
That's fine, we can see the...
And you know, our customers always get the best, so I always look for the best repair and the best reliable repair, and this is definitely the most reliable repair. I think you can see definitely that, you know, you'd rather do this than put it in an oven or use a hair dryer to fix it, or a blowtorch. I like the challenge, you know. I like challenge. Now with a little bit of alcohol, we're gonna then... oh, nope, we're still cleaning with braid. In this instance, I've chosen to replace the video chip entirely, but the problem is the video chips, brand new, they come with lead-free solder, and as you see, I hate lead-free solder, so I do remove the lead-free solder from the chip itself and replace it with lead solder. If you look at my other videos, you'll see how I do that process. I haven't included it in this particular video. And we can then see how nice it's gonna look, how shiny it's gonna look. So this is basically the procedure of replacing video chips on laptops, on graphic cards on laptops. And if you are a technician and you want to learn how to do this, you can go to my website, laptopreballing.co.uk, and there's a contact page. Contact me, and you can, if you want to come over to my workshop and learn this, I'm prepared to teach you, show you the secrets. The courses start from around £600. And if you are if you got a laptop that needs a video chip to be replaced, if you got, let's say, a HP DV9000, DV6000, DV2000, TX2000, or a Dell, and you got video problems, and you want it fixed the long-term way, yeah, head over to my website too, laptopreballing.co.uk, and you can submit a quote form, and we'll give you a price. I normally can pick up any laptop from anywhere in the UK by courier. You just pack it up in a box, put some bubble wrapping on it, and we'll send you a shipping label. We can collect. Our courier is very reliable, very fast. It takes care of my laptops, and you can track them online. It's really easy and really simple to have your laptop repaired. The process takes about a week to get your turn, but I try and do my best to do them as quick as possible. Now I've put the new video chip in there, and it goes to baking. This is using the T870A. I've got about 5 rework machines, but I chose to put that one because it's the cheapest one to buy and most common one to use, being used by rebowlers out there.